good, YouTube? We got another video for y'all. Just picked up my boy Trent. We about to go to a pool party. Oh shit. But yeah, we're about to see what this hitting on.
Vlog.
Good. Yeah.
What up, vlog? Mr. Megaphone in this bitch.
My boy Mr. Megaphone, nigga. But yeah, we're about to see what this shit hitting on. We was supposed to go to this bitch earlier, low key. I ain't
Cold or something.
yeah, we're here. Oh yeah, I seen that on the map. GXP right there. Clean. You know? Gotta find somewhere to park though. Oh, there go Davion shit right there. This beach. We in front of me, fucking away from everybody. This bitch, I mean lower ball joints.
That's what that is.
That noise, yeah.
I'm trying to find what different sounds is. What is it?
I think that one got fucked up when on the other one when I crashed.
Got some Zosky's for sale.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. It's a couple little whips here. Grab my backpack. You said what? Oh yeah. That bitch probably got turtles, snapping turtles, all type of shit.
A snapping turtle. Wow.
Nah, I can't believe this dude, bro. This nigga smacked this bitch. Crazy. Oh my god, bro.
We like this bitch used to be blue.
Yeah, I think it was. This was a swap though. I didn't even lock my door. I'm tweaking. Hey, we got the motherfucking. Oh, this Lano, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh god, that bitch hard. Oh god. It's good.
I knew that motherfucker looked familiar. I'm like,
Man.
bro, did you see what happened to Dead and shit?
Huh?
Yeah, he smacked a fucking truck.
Oh yeah, that red one. That bitch. He smacked that red truck and it pulled up a little bit. What's everything back here?
Yeah.
Oh, about that. You know. Damn, this is a nice ass view. Look at this. Look at this backyard. Damn. This shit hard. Okay. This shit hard. About to go down here real quick, see what they talking about. My boys, we finally got something in the L. We won't be having nothing in this bitch. This shit crazy. I'm sore as hell from. I ain't even tell y'all the story. I'm gonna tell y'all later though. It's too cold to be in the damn pool. Good.
What am I, baby? You probably just got on
Popped
fucking
up.
my baby.
I think niggas supposed to slide and shit tonight though. We're gonna see though. Hopefully. My bad, y'all. Well, I had to come to the car real quick to grab a hoodie. Oh shit. To grab a hoodie, but everybody started coming out, so they said we probably about to go to this little park called Washington Park or whatever. And yeah, after that, probably have another load or another one for real. We'll see. Whoever, I don't know. Who knows? We'll figure out. It's good.
Are you
want to be in the tube?
Are you going to the first?
We're going to this other park right now. We here. Well, I think we beat them because we turned around and went a whole faster way. So we tried to tell them to turn around, yeah. this a little parking lot. Feels the cat. I'm tired of answering, why your hood off? Why your hood off? Huh.
What the fuck is it with the middle bit?
Huh? Yeah, that bitch. Yeah, they taking forever. They definitely took the long way. I thought that SS was done. Unless they changed the load. Did they change the location? I'm about to get on the swings, cause fuck it. No, I'm sore, bro. Oh yeah, I told y'all. I fell off the dirt bike, man. Off my dirt bike. I don't know. Y'all don't know, but I ride dirt bikes and mini bikes, 4-wheelers, anything like that. That's what I was into before the car, so that's like my first love for real. So when I was on a dirt bike, I was on a fucking big wheel Suzuki RM85 2-stroke. If you know what that is, it's a little bike. It's a big wheel, but it's like a little bike compared to like a 125 or 250 or something. But it's real snappy. Like you hit the gas just a little bit, that bitch, it's throwing you off of it. It don't give a fuck who on there, it'll throw you off. But yeah, basically I think the front brakes or something locked, cause I'm just cruising. I'm damn near home. I'm damn near just got home and I'm about to pull into the I'm pulling onto my street basically. Then all of a sudden my fucking front tire just lock up like skirt, and it make my whole it make basically go like this way, like, and I fell on my left side, messed up my whole elbow. And I got a whole bandage on right now. Look, whole bandage, knee, everything. I'm walking off messed up. My neck hurt a little bit. I was geared up too. That's what's the crazy part. And I wasn't even going fast, but that's real rider's fault though, you feel me? Get back up. But man, I'm about to get back to y'all. I'm gonna get back to y'all when they pull up, cause they take it forever. We might have to pull off from this moment. Here they go right here. Everybody pulling up. There's at the gas station. Oh boy, still out here though. Oh God. That's a good swap contender, huh? It's probably the Volkswagen boosted. Oh, he coming here.
By the time you go there, they will be here.
This nigga funny as shit. Yeah, it's a little private session tonight. A little huh?
Like the legal pit, search somebody shit, like stand on their shit like.
Oh, grab it. That shit might break.
Well, it's like I'm gonna fall off though if they go too long.
Let me close these windows.
Like this way so I can lean on the car.
But they talking about a little private session tonight of sliding and shit. I might throw my shit out there real quick. And another thing I want to do, thank y'all for the 500 subscribers. Well, I'm at 600 something now because I just skyrocketed. Ooh, that one's sick. But hey, see, I've been trying to get to that 500 subscribers for the longest. Now I'm there, so it's on the road. We on the road to 1,000 now. Man, but I was at 12K on the last vid. They deleted my shit. I'm sick. But this is the type of stuff I be around every day, so it don't even matter for real. We run it back up. Y'all just stay sub for real. Stay tuned in to me, you feel me? We're gonna make it all the way to the top. Think I'm capping? Watch. Man, I don't know why these niggas think they can hoop. These niggas don't walk to the hoop court. All the fast shit up back there. He just airballed that motherfucker. I can't move, like I said. I'm fucked up right now. I ain't gonna lie. But I'm about to get the footage right now. I'm about to get this footage. Who about to?
Where you going? Yeah, that nigga be hooked right there. Let me see that rock. That nigga, you going? Who?
Man, who? Y'all niggas cannot hope for real. Y'all niggas can't hope. Y'all on the big screen too. It's the big screen. Okay. Okay. Hell yeah, it's like dark. It's light. It's still light, but it's dark type. Like you can't see the ball till it get to you.
Nigga, at this point, ain't nobody gonna pick nobody up. What we running?
Oh, they painted a little 3.
That's an air ball.
Oh my god. I at least hit one. That looked like the rest of the fast cars. Let me see.
Oh, damn!
That gotta be them. Yeah. Okay, I see him.
Oh, there they go. There go. I'm not playing
basketball.
That nigga funny as hell. He said, "Oh, I ain't playing basketball." That nigga funny as hell.
She was a fairy. She was a
She was a fairy with a
got a body on my body. Okay. 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 My camera all blurry, but it don't matter. We're gonna wipe it off after this. We got the clean caddy right here, XC5 400. What y'all know about that? None. You know? Huh? There's only 2 spots right here and 2 over there, but they can, yup. Okay, they know what to do. Yeah. No, that's that one. Huh? I got the Trailblazer about to blow a damn head gasket off that motherfucker. Bro, I'm sore as a motherfucker. Type up. Niggas still hooping. It's dark as hell. They can't even see. Bloom. There's still hella motherfuckers here though. It's double rim though, so it's gonna be hard to make a shot on it. I'm walking to my car real quick. Everybody can move that car up there. I don't want to be the only one basically parked over here, so I'm about to go down here. My leg, bro. That I don't know why the camera just cut off, but yeah. Pull up here real quick. Hey, and who gonna get some buckets for real, man? You niggas out here airballing and shit, man. What's good? Can I get a buck? I need a buck. Come on. Hey, I need to see somebody fall. Hey, come over here. Yep. Okay, Trent. Okay, Trent. Oh, shit. Damn. Damn. Bro, this nigga threw the ball to the fence, bro. What's good with bro? Oh, yeah. Pull that up in his mouth, huh? Huh? Oh, shit. Bucket. Oh, my God, bro. Niggas cannot score. This shit funny. Bucket. Oh! Break somebody. Oh, yeah. Break somebody. And this shit. I'm recording a dark ass game. Oh yeah, that's Trent. That's Trent Big Buck. That's Trent, my boy Trent. You know he came in that fast thing, that scat over there. You feel me? He came in that scat over there. On G. We over here playing the girls versus boys. They over here exhausted. We up two zip right now. We about to get another buck. We on right now, but I'm about to get this buck real quick. Hold on. All right, they damn near forfeited, but they said they about to pull their lights up.
Oh, this move is hell.
We about to.
She got the perfect light.
Yeah, we can see better now. But
Is that a skit?
yeah, I'm gonna wait for them to pull up, and then I think they about to continue the game. Who knows? Hopefully. I'm sore as hell though. My leg really fucked up for real. Like right here, feel like it's like road rash. It's tender right there. But yeah, got all the wigs pulling up.
You are not him. You are not him.
We're really waiting for like I forgot who we waiting on, but we waiting for somebody to pull up, and then we about to go to the little location or whatever. And then after that, I'm gonna probably slide. I'm gonna do a couple little in and out real quick, and then both ways, and then I'm out. Probably go. Boy, Aiden here. We gotta hear that one. Yeah. My boy used to be second gen gang with me. And then he came Cat after that. Cat Challenger. But I went to a little takeover last night. That shit was wild. I'm done with them. I ain't gonna lie. That was my last one. That was my last takeover I'm probably going to. But it was too much going on. Somebody just got to shooting. People was crashing, all type of shit. You want to see if you make it? Ah.
That's an air ball.
Okay, though. I'm walking to my car real quick. Everybody can move that car up there. I don't want to be the only one basically parked over here. So I'm about to go down here. My leg, bro. That I don't know why the camera just cut off, but yeah. I'm about to pull up here real quick. To the new low. It's a little private sesh tonight, you know. I think it's around the corner though, so I'm gonna get back on it when we get pull up. So everybody. See how the pavement looks and shit.
Oh yeah, make sure I got this shit secure. Maybe I gave me no warning last time. Everything went flying.
Outside every day, we looking for another Sunday fun day going on. Oh, let me wipe this for y'all. Alright, there y'all go. I damn near might kick.
They sliding the V6s?
I damn near might kick it off.
They sliding the V6s over there. Hell no, I don't want to
Get that. I was gonna say, I need some outside footage too, though. I do need some inside footage. Somebody gotta get on. she getting too much gas. My shit shifting up even in manual. Boy, Davion about to go now.
I'm trying to hand this nigga his phone.
Look at my baby though. Gas station takeover.
Oh, you was the one that was at my auntie shit, huh?
Who ya? Oh yeah, okay. Hell yeah, I remember.
Hey, you see my Challenger? That bitch finna get. I might swap it though. 6.1 engine.
Hell yeah, yup. I thought about doing some.
Somebody links that dude.
What? Like
Swap. I want a whole interior swap too.
I do it.
Oh shit, how much?
I just did that. Shit. It just depends what you got, like, got with you type shit. Like, if you got the whole drivetrain and shit, then it'd be cheaper. But if I gotta like find the shit like that.
When I buy one already swapped, but it's just not starting running. You know how to fix that shit?
Oh yeah, I can look into it.
Someone selling for 10,000. He 35,000 miles on it. Chrysler, the gray with a matte black hood and a matte black back bumper. I mean,
Heck shit.
yeah, it just don't run and start. But everything is swapped though. Man, I like how you do that rap.
Man, that bitch hard. That's why I'm recording that bitch right now.
Somebody down here did his rap. I'm trying to do
Yeah, like a. Sure, everybody outside. Oh, this bitch orange, nigga. I don't know who about to slide. I don't like this dead end shit though. They be trying to fucking close them bitches. Yeah. We low-key just need to park and chill after this. And be done for the night. Boy, Davey, I'm about to go. Oh shit. Police pulled up. Damn, they about to smack out, trying to get out. Nah, I seen them pull in.
Oh, after the fact?
Yeah, they just had pulled in. That's why I was start walking to the car like that's, you know how LPP
These niggas cooked. These niggas cooked right here.
Who?
These niggas just getting in the car.
Oh, they
And she got one headlight.
She's straight.
She got one headlight though.
Can't see shit though. Damn. Let's go in sporty real quick. Let's go ahead and cut up. about to come to the next low, so we probably about to just call it quits for the night. I don't know. We're gonna have a little park and chill or something. But let's see. I guess they trying to just ride around all night though. If anything, I'm gonna go get some food or something. But we're about to see. I'll give y'all a little POV real quick. Calling it a night. We about to go to the store real quick. Probably, yeah, drop him off. Yeah, probably go to the Spig. Get to editing this video a little bit. Put it up for y'all. Man, it seem lame as hell though. We only, let's say 3 on my shit. Damn.
We don't be on shit.
Yeah, I don't never be on shit for real. But we about to be, on the 19th, July 19th. And we about to have a fucking first legal pit in Michigan. My boy hosting that bitch too.
Hella YouTubers come.
Yeah, hella YouTubers. Like, who was it? Like, Fast Life, I remember you saying. Demon Time Mo. Whole bunch of motherfuckers, for real. You know, people just gonna come too after they see people sharing it and shit too, so.
Yeah, Ricky and sharing.
Oh, yeah, Ricky and with the rest.